You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know.
Here we are back with another video. This one's gonna be really exciting. One of the first big mods. It's boxed up right here, so say hi to the dogs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna see what we got. I'm really excited for this. Been waiting for this for a little while now, not too long, but let's check it out together. Whoa, we got a lot going on. So first, let's check out the shirts. Let's open these up real quick. Got two of them too. One for both of us. Dang. Go ahead and.
Hey, what the hell?
Oh, we're back. Check this out. Suvneer Motorsports. Let's actually check out what else they sent over, because I honestly have no idea. Seeing this here, it catches my eye. Ooh, it looks like a... Actually, I have no idea. Let's check it out. Oh, it's like cues for the... Because my car has no storage, because it's just a... Hey. Check out the Hot Wheels, the carbon fiber. Look at that.
Damn.
That's super nice.
You needed that too.
Yeah, I know. I can put some tools in
Got
here.
stuff flying around, going 100 miles an hour around corners.
Yeah, I do. Hey, I don't drive that fast. Only in Mexico. We only drive 100 in Mexico, right? Oh, they sent two of them. Wow. Thank you so much. Check that out. I already love this company. Now, besides the fact that they're amazing customer service and to talk to anytime I want. So let's check the rest of this out.
Oh my god.
It's massive. So.
What do you think, Panko?
Yeah, what do you think? Check that out. The group, yeah? She likes it. She likes it, that's all that matters. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll put this on our giant island here and then see the rest of it. So if you haven't guessed by now, this is a ZR1 bumper for the C7, and I'll say should I open it? Yeah, we'll open it. Go ahead and open it real quick. Check this out. That looks so crazy. I kind of want to go hold it up to the car right now. Actually, yeah, let's go ahead and we're already this far. I wanted to wait to open this, but I was too excited, so I just went ahead and opened it now instead of doing it at the shop. But luckily we have enough room in here. We have all the plastics and the inserts here. This is for under the bumper, and then the lip is on the counter. I'm not gonna open these yet because this is gonna be painted first and then these go on after. So it's gonna be like this for now, but let's go hold it up to the car, see what it's gonna look like. gonna look so good. Hold it up a little bit. Just like that. Get a thumbnail real quick. What's that?
Screws falling out, boy.
Hey, it's not,
Oh, you lost your washer too.
where's that from?
I don't know.
It's not from this. It doesn't have any screws in it. Got random screws.
Another day in the life.
Hey. Dang. I can't wait. We'll get a quick before and then we'll have an after. Hey, welcome back. So we got a lot going on today. Starting out in my driveway. So we got the Suvneer ZR1 bumper going on the Z06. Taking this to my paint guy right now. Hopefully get this painted by the end of the week, even though I'm going to be gone. And maybe I can even get this on early next week. So the soonest the next video. So yeah, I'm excited. Oh, I'm definitely going to get a haircut today too. Shout out to my boy Sear for coming through clutch last minute before this wedding. But yeah, let's head on over to my guy in West Sac and get this thing painted. Well, obviously it's not gonna fit, so I'm gonna have to take everything out right now. Got everything in. Let's go head to the paint shop. Stay hydrated. Saying bye to my spoiled dogs. Bye. They got their own little toy chest and bed. They are not allowed to have rugs because they chew them up. Watch them. Bye. I was clearing out stuff in the garage. That's why this is in the driveway. Dang, just look how nice that looks. Cannot wait to get this new bumper on. Shout out once again, Suvneer. It's gonna be a fun project. Kind of sarcasm because this bumper's gonna suck to put on, but let's get it. So we just got to Antonio's. He has at least like 20 plus cars out here ready to get work done. So hopefully it doesn't take too long, but he was quick last time we worked with him. So great prices, so I can't complain. So that's just a quick unboxing. Be sure to go check out Suvneer Motorsports. Can't wait to get this thing painted and installed. If you want to see more, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned and enjoy the new intro and outro. Let me know any critiques you have about it, what I should change up. But yeah, see you on the next one.